Okay, so to talk about consonants on my flashcards, they're all color-coded and grouped based on their place of articulation. King Sejong imagined the way the sounds are being produced by speech organs. So this is a group of tongue-back, right, sounds. And in this group, you have 기역 and 쌍기역. So let's look at the other side. 기역, G as in goose. And instead of this word, I can really think of another word like pair of scissors. That's 가위. 가위. When you look at 쌍기역, the double version of this 기역, it's 끄, stressed out. So the word I have here is 까마귀. 까마귀. That's the crow. So again, scissor in Korean, 가위. And then the crow in Korean, 까마귀. That's it for today.